Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Century Ply, TVS Euro Grip and Goel TMT.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. 1 year after conspiring with Sachin Waze and other politicians to fabricate a case against Republic, Parambir Singh has fled the country. He's a man on the run. He's accused of the worst corruption, extortion, fabrication, bribery. A man who has disgraced the uniform. And viewers, his role in the Mansukh Hiren murder case, the Antilia case, is under serious scrutiny. I'm told that both the central and the Maharashtra governments are trying to hunt him down. Bizarre. It is inconceivable that such a man can just flee. If he has fled, it's a disgrace. Then we, the people of India, have all been cheated. If such a man of such dubious actions, a man who's a shame on public office, a man who has a lookout notice against him, a man who has violated every single code of ethics and morality, a man who has been involved in so many diverse crimes, using and being used as an instrument by politicians and vested interests to carry out the worst and most despicable acts. If such a man can simply evade the law and disappear, then I ask you tonight, viewers, what confidence are we supposed to have in the system? If Parambir has fled, then I assure you, viewers, and you know this will become a matter of tremendous embarrassment for agencies and governments, both at the center and the state. How will the NIA explain to the people of India why a man who, as per their own charge sheet, carried out acts in the Mansukh Hiren murder and Antilia case that put his role under serious doubt? Why did the NIA not even seriously interrogate him a second time after gathering the evidence? What was the NIA waiting for? What was the NIA doing? Instead, coolly allowing him to leave the country, and today not one statement from the NIA. What was the state government doing? Together, did they not suspect at any time that escaping India would be one option that a man like Parambir would try? It is impossible. Let me say it, that Parambir has fled, if he has fled, and nobody knew. Viewers, Parambir is a darling of the Lutyens media. They collaborated with him. They joined hands with him, including people who think that they understand India today. Those who think they can understand where our country is today, including anchors, ladies and gentlemen, who have difficulty with the English language and are also delusional about wearing my shoes. Not just them. All of them, all of these people in the media joined hands with Parambir as part of a conspiracy to target Republic. Should they now answer us tonight, viewers? Should they not answer us? Should they not investigate where their main man has fled? The nation wants to know, ladies and gentlemen, Parambir on the run. If he's fled, it's a disgrace for the country. And the citizens of this country will not keep quiet about this catastrophe. Ladies and gentlemen, that's debate number 2. And debate number 1 this evening. It's a chaos, collapse, It's a catastrophe for the Congress as the revolt against the Vadras grows. That's debate number one. And here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the debate tonight.
Remain in the Congress.
Captain says goodbye to the Congress attacks the party leadership, says seniors are sidelined, humiliated and insulted. A desperate, panic-struck Congress leadership pleads with Navjot Sidhu to stay despite the humiliation and embarrassment. G23 declares war against the Vadra Congress leadership, openly questions it as the party collapses. Captain Amrinder likely to launch a nationalist party, talks to like-minded parties for possible alliances.
इनपुट ऐसे ही है कि वो होंगे या नहीं होंगे। एक्चुअली एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर होने के कारण उन्होंने अगर देश के बाहर जाना है तो गवर्नमेंट की अनुमति लेना आवश्यक है, उसके सिवा वो जा नहीं सकते।
1 year after framing a fabricated case against Republic, reports that Parambir has run away from India. How can a serving IPS officer hoodwink the country and flee? Citizens betrayed. There is national outrage about who has allowed Parambir to run. And ladies and gentlemen, what exactly is happening in the Vadra Congress? Captain has left. G23 leaders are up in arms. Everyone's criticizing the Vadras. Not wrong. And the party is so desperate that it's going with folded hands and bended knee to Navjot Singh Sidhu, saying, Mr. Sidhu, don't go, stay with us. Here's how the civil war in the Congress is unfolding. The violence that has broken out, the physical violence that has broken out in a collapsing party, and then we debate.
I will tell you later. I've already said so. Number one, I am not going to remain in the Congress. Number two, I am not joining the BJP.
12 days after stepping down as the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh has announced that he will resign from the Congress party. He has taken a vow to ensure Sidhu does not win.
Sidhu is not the right man for Punjab, and अगर वो लड़ेगा, जहाँ से भी लड़ेगा, मैं उसको नहीं जीतने दूँगा.
At 6 p.m, his replacement, Charanjit Singh Channi, left Punjab Bhavan after a 2-hour-long meeting. Sources say Congress has offered a truce formula. They desperately want to keep Sidhu back because they are helpless.
Sources tell us that the Congress is going all out to placate Sidhu. The party high command, that is the Gandhis and the Vadras, have tasked Harish Rawat to speak to both Sidhu and Channi to ensure that Sidhu is kept in the party ahead of the polls.
In such a situation, all eyes are on what Captain Amrinder Singh will do next. Could he ally with the BJP given his meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, or will he go it alone? Sources say he could form his own party with a pro-nation and pro-nationalist view, one that focuses on national security. Sources close to Captain Amrinder, those who worked with him for decades, have told Republic TV that Captain Amrinder could after all float his own outfit, and they say that he's already talking to like-minded parties. Now we hear that this political party will be pro-nation, pro-forces, will focus on national security and most importantly, the security of Punjab. 12 days ago, Captain Amrinder had already hinted at Navjot Singh Sidhu being a national security threat.
मैंने पहले दिन से कहा है, जब से गया है, पहले तो इमरान खान का दोस्त है, इमरान खान की स्वेरिंग इन के लिए गया, मैंने कहा मत जाओ, चला गया. आई वाज द चीफ मिनिस्टर, डिडंट लिसन. उसके बाद फिर जनरल बाजवा को जाके उधर जप्पी डालता है, एंड फिर वो टेक्स क्रेडिट फॉर करतारपुर, सेइंग कि फौज ने ये करतारपुर कॉरिडोर बनाया. और मैंने कहा व्हाई हैव यू हग्ड दिस पाकिस्तानी जनरल बाजवा.
All indicators pointing to the concern being valid, like the time he hugged the Pakistan Army chief, or the time he hailed the Pakistan Prime Minister, or the time he conducted photo ops with the Khalistan leader. Former congressmen are aghast. This is exactly what they have been saying is wrong.
पंजाब में तो जग जाहिर है, सब पूरा देश देख रहा है कि एक व्यक्ति कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह, जिन्होंने देश के प्रति फौज तक में सेवाएं दी हैं, उनको बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया जा रहा है. उन लोगों को अंदर लाया जा रहा है, ऐसे ऐसे एडवाइजर जो भारत को बांटने की बात करते हैं, जो कश्मीर को देश का अंग ना समझते हों।
Look at the G23, for example. One leader after another, slamming the Congress antics of intimidation and violence by a few factions.
I have just returned from a regional security conference. And I can tell you that the only people who are very happy with what is going on in Punjab is the deep state of Pakistan.
I don't want to talk about Punjab, but a border state where this is happening to the Congress party means what? It's an advantage to the ISI in Pakistan.
Oh, look at these tweets. Ghulam Nabi Azad has slammed the party. Anand Sharma is slamming the Youth Congress. Even Chidambaram says there is no freedom of speech. They are angry over this protest of the Youth Congress.
विरोध इस बात का है कि कपिल सिब्बल जी को अपने स्टेटमेंट पे ध्यान देना चाहिए कि उनका स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि उन्होंने जिस पार्टी ने उनको कपिल सिब्बल बनाया, आप वो उसी पार्टी की जड़ें खोखले करने पे लगे हुए।
It's an all-out war as leaders attack each other in public.
कपिल सिब्बल जी हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता, पूर्व मंत्री हैं और वरिष्ठ वकील भी हैं, और उसका इस प्रकार से बयान देना निश्चित रूप से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
It's chaos as from one state to the next they crumble and look for an exit route.
समाजवादी पार्टी का वोट शेयरिंग सबसे ज़्यादा है, तो समाजवादी पार्टी विपक्ष के अंदर मुख्यतः लड़ती हुई नज़र आती है। तो ये समाजवादी पार्टी की जिम्मेदारी है कि सबको साथ लेकर के जो एक मजबूती आ सकती है, सबको साथ मिला करके अगर हम लोग चलें तो हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराने में सक्षम होंगे।
It's complete decimation. The writing was on the wall. It's a situation that the Vadra Congress are loved. Let's debate.
Ratnakar Tripathi of the Congress, Sanjay Chadda supports the Congress, Ravi Srivastav leans towards the AAP, Kamru Chaudhary is of the Congress, Abab Singh Grewal of the Aam Aadmi Party, Madhuvanti is a political analyst from Chennai, Dr. Ajay Alok is from the JDU, and Dr. Sambit Patra is from the BJP. Now, Ratnakar Tripathi, I want you to start this debate with Sambit Patra. There is a possibility that this is all a joke, I believe. Because, can you hear me, Ratnakar Tripathi? Can you hear me, Mr. Tripathi? No, he's dropped off. Kamru. Mr. Chaudhary, you can hear me, I hope. You know, there's a group of people who believe that all of this is a joke. You know, it's like some nightmare gone wrong. It can't be happening. And I'm not talking about congressmen. I'm talking about the average citizen, because the situation is so comic, that the situation is so tragic, that you can only think that this could have been scripted by some master of writing tragicomedies or comic tragedies. It can't be happening for real. You see, Mr. Chaudhary, this is madness.
Yeah.
You see, Mr. Chaudhary, this is madness. Let me explain to you why I call this madness. You threw out Amrinder, you got Sidhu, right? You wanted to throw out Amrinder. Amrinder went out. Then you got in Sidhu. Then you got Channi as chief minister. Then Sidhu fought with Channi. And then Channi said nothing doing. And Sidhu said, I'm out. Then the party leadership says to Sidhu, nothing doing, get lost. Sidhu says, I have nothing to do with you. He humiliates you, he insults you, he kicks you verbally. Now Sidhu goes to Channi. Story continues. Sidhu goes to Channi. Now Rahul calls Channi and says, go say sorry to Sidhu. And as of now, Sidhu says, just sorry will not do. No, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Sidhu says, sorry, let me get it right. Sidhu says, no, a sorry will not do. I want you to grovel. I want you to be down on your knees. So Chani says to Sidhu, I'm really sorry. I'm down on my knees. I'm groveling. And Sidhu says, I'll think about it. In the meantime, all Congress leaders are distraught. They don't know what to do. Sibal says, I don't want to talk about Punjab, but I have to say something. Moment he does, you send your party people and attack him. Anand Sharma says, why are you physically attacking congressmen? Apart from, I don't know. No, Mr. This has to be, no, I'm sorry, this has to be, this is some kind of joke you're playing. Tell me it's not actually happening. No, tell us all of us, tell Sambit tonight that this is a joke. Just tell all of us. No, tell Sambit tonight. No, thank you, don't have to do this. You tell me that it's not happening for real. It's a joke, right? This is a practical joke, right? This is not really happening. Tell me this is all scripted. Is actually
the real joke that is being played is on the national television that you are playing.
Okay.
Because it's an internal matter of Congress party.
Internal matter.
The only problem that the opposition out here is facing is appointing a Dalit as a Chief Minister of Punjab, which most of the people in this political opposition of Punjab, they are unable to digest. Arnab, you are also one of them. That how come Congress played a master stroke in giving a Dalit a chance to lead a state? Let me remind you of Jiten Ram Maji. When he replaced Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister,
what is my problem?
Jiten Ram Maji refused to vacate.
Hey, 1 minute, keep me out of it, right? That's your internal problem. Keep me out of it. I have no role in appointing or removing your Chief Ministers, please. Keep me out of it. I have nothing to. Sambit is responding.
You have done extensive research on this, that's why I'm applauding you.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. I want nothing to do with your party. It's not good nowadays. Sambit is responding. Okay, so Sambit, we have confirmed right now. I thought it is a nightmare or a joke. We'll all wake up. I'll pinch myself and say, didn't happen. Didn't happen. Because you know why, Kamru? Because I started my career reporting on the Congress party. We used to go and interview people like V.N. Gadkil, serious people. And then we see 20 years later, nobody wants to believe this, that this has fallen so much.
What a wonderful anchor you were there prior to 2014. I have seen you debating on issues.
Yes.
You were always there on a logical point of debate.
Yes.
But now over the last few years, honestly, touch your heart and say, are you reporting for the country? Are you reporting the facts that the nation wants to know?
I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing.
Just because you belong to my home state.
I tell you one thing. Kamru, CHILL, my friend, just chill. If you've fallen off a cliff, it's not my problem. Sambit is responding. I just asked you whether this was a fabricated, soap opera you were doing. No, you're saying it's real. I understand. Sambit is responding to you. Sambit.
Thank you, Arnab. Arnab, as if the comedy of error was not enough, then we have the spokespersons of Congress party coming out and defending the comedy of errors as well. As far as the Congress party is concerned, it is into two groups today. The Parivar, which has 3 people in it, and the war. Rest all of the Congress is in war with each other. This is the real situation of the Congress party. Yet we have Mr. Kamru coming and defending the Congress party. Mr. Kamru, please learn from your friend, Mr. Tiwari. Very beautifully and very tactfully, he acted as if he could not hear anything and excused himself and went away from the debate. I doubt whether he's going to join the debate. Mr. Kamru, you cannot defend the indefensible. No, the history of this country, the history of the world is replete of examples that this is what happens when you don't have a leadership. For God's sake, stop projecting Rahul Gandhi as a leader and stop thinking that Rahul Gandhi is going to guide you into some kind of success. This is what happens when the party is without any kind of captain. Mr. Kamru.
Definitely it's not going to be Narendra Modi, sir.
No, I don't.
Never going to be Narendra Modi.
I'm enjoying it, Mr. Kamru.
That right I should reserve.
No, I'll be very happy if you are left without a leader. Mr. Kamru,
sorry,
please
Sambit
don't
ji,
think that we are
Sambit ji,
stressed.
You cannot comment
I'm not
who is
stressed.
going to be my leader.
Mr. Kamru, let me.
You can have your own leader. You can have
No,
your choice
I don't
of
want to
Narendra
comment.
Modi.
I am very
You can
happy if
project
you are without a
Savarkar
leader.
as
I'm
your
very happy
ideal.
about the fact.
But no, I have got Mahatma Gandhi as my idol.
Kamruji, please,
I have
can
got
we have
Rahul
some
Gandhi
democracy
as
in
my
the
leader.
debate?
I have got
Can we have
every
some
other congressman in this country
Kamruji,
who
please,
is leading by the
Kamruji, can
Congress
we have some,
ideology. Not
unlike
the
your
G23,
Congress
I
party
am a part of the
democracy, can we have some
G77,
real democracy
not
in the debate? Can I have
G23?
some freedom of expression? I am not Kapil Sibal.
Yeah,
Kamruji,
yeah.
please
No, you
don't
cannot
treat me like
suggest me
Kapil
who is going to be my
Sibal.
leader,
Please,
sir.
I have
I'm
some
very
freedom of
sorry.
expression. No, don't throw tomatoes at me. Allow me to speak, Kamruji. I am not Kapil Sibal. I have some freedom of expression. Please allow me to speak. Yes, thank you, Kamruji. Astonishingly, Mr. Kamruji comes to say that these are all internal matters of the Congress party. Internal matters with external tomatoes. How is it possible? The tomatoes were very much visible outside.
They were.
The broken car was very much visible outside.
Yeah.
A broken Kapil Sibal was very much visible outside.
Yeah.
A Ghulam Nabi Azad and in fact Mr. Anand Sharma's comment were very much visible outside. So how is it an internal matter anymore?
Kapilji's residence yesterday.
No, who attacked
I will
Kapil
tell you,
Sibal?
those were all BJP members throwing
So has
tomatoes
it
from
rejected?
Kapil Sibal's house.
No, so there were BJP members throwing tomatoes. Now here comes the
Do you have
comedy of
any
error
proof that those
continues
were all
here.
Congress
Here we
members?
have the spokesperson of Congress. Okay, so who were they? No, it has a
if
good
you
turn
say,
now. Turn of
have
events.
has
So who are
any
they?
Congress
RSS
member
members. So
supported
the RSS members,
hooliganism
they are not
of
Congress
Kapilji's
members
house?
now.
He is a respected member of the Congress family. We are having
who are-
differences with him. With
So no
our
one
ideology,
supported
with
that.
The policy that
Just
the
a
Congress
second,
party
just a
is
second.
taking right
Kamruji,
now. But well, we will
Kamruji,
discuss
allow
it
me
within
to
ourselves.
complete. Let me answer you, Kamruji.
You don't need to
Kamruji,
do
in
a
fact,
thesis
remember
on the
Mr. Manish Tiwari,
Congress's
your own member of
problems right
parliament,
now.
coming out and saying that this is an orchestrated hooliganism. Why does Manish Tiwari say that this is orchestrated hooliganism then? If these were not congressmen, who were then? Men from Mars.
Because there
Who
were
are they?
hidden
Who are they
members
then?
of the Sangh
Who are these
Parivar
people
in
who are
that
throwing
group.
tomatoes?
Okay, let me put it this way. You're having certain
Hidden
difficulties.
member of Sangh Parivar.
You're having
members of
certain
the
difficulties.
RSS,
1 minute.
hidden members
1
of the
minute.
BJP
1
in
minute.
that gap.
Just a minute.
Hidden
Now,
members of the
okay.
Aam
All
Aadmi
right,
Party.
Kamru Chaudhary. Well tried. Well tried.
Congress
Mr. Chaudhary.
banned
Mr. Chaudhary, as I say.
hooliganism
Mr.
on
Chaudhary.
our respected
Mr. Chaudhary.
Kapil Sibal's
Mr.
house.
Chaudhary.
hidden member of
Mr.
RSS.
Chaudhary, allow me, please. Allow me. You see, Ajay Alok and Ratnakar Tripathi are on the debate. About a year and 4 months back, year and 5 months back, something interesting happened. Ajay Alok, Republic questioned why the Congress party leadership was remarkably silent when Hindu priests were attacked and killed in Palghar in Maharashtra. And they proceeded, Ajay Alok, to carry out what they have some expertise in, I think now, an acid attack on me. Well, they failed, as usual. They carried out an acid attack on me, right, and my family. They failed as usual. And when we asked them, why did you carry out an acid attack, right? By the way, Parambir Singh was commissioner of police. I told Parambir Singh an acid attack was carried out by the Congress leadership. He kept quiet, so you can guess who's in tango with whom. They said, no, we have our self-respect, you know, Ajay. They said, how dare you question our party's silence on the killing of Hindu priests? We have our self-respect, and that's why we attacked you. Now, my question is, Ajay, and this question must go to Ratnakar Tripathi. Mr. Tripathi, where is your self-respect? When you have gone groveling before Navjot Singh Sidhu, who has abused you, insulted you, attacked you, dared you, exposed you, put out videos on you, thrown stones at you, and you go back to the same man. Ajay Alok, look at that. They're going back to him. Sidhu, don't go. Sidhu, come back. Sidhu, we need you. Sidhu, come back. Sidhu says, no, I'm going back to be a sidekick on that comedy show I was hosting on television. But Congress party says, without you, we are dead. We are finished. Ratnakar Tripathi, what a fall. And you call yourself the Indian National Congress. This is the Indian National Congress. Ajay Alok, I can't believe it. When they told me today, that Channi has gone pleading to Sidhu because Rahul's called him saying, get him back at any cost. I said, not possible. There must be some self-respect. But I was disappointed. I'm shocked. There is no self-respect anymore, Ajay. There's no self-respect.
Dr. Goswami.
No, that's all right. That's all. Yeah, no. Ajay first or who first?
Who is to respond?
Yeah. Who goes first?
Okay. Tell me. Who is to respond?
Arnab, there is a saying
Yes.
by Dinkar ji, जब नाश मनुष्य पे छाता है, जब नाश मनुष्य पे छाता है तो सबसे पहले विवेक मर जाता है. So this will happen in Congress party. When the leadership is immature, inept, cannot handle, this happens. And the kind of leadership they have,
Yeah.
like it's, you know, it's really rare variety. What we call in Hindi Durlabh Murkh.
Yeah.
It's very hard to find, you know, very hard to find.
Okay.
And then also people keep on sticking around him. And he keeps on creating chaos after chaos after chaos after chaos. And then
Right.
also they say, that's good, great. Now, earlier the Congress spokesperson was saying a Dalit chief minister. Now, will you please answer that, is it right that you should pressurize the Dalit chief minister to abide by what Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu says?
Yeah.
Is a Dalit chief minister is not supposed to function on its own?
I
If he
agree.
doesn't have a right to appoint his DG and ADG and chief secretary?
What a shame.
So, government in Punjab
Yeah.
being run by Delhi Tughlaq Road, 10 Tughlaq Road. Amazing. In this country has
What
been
is this?
functioning like banana
What is this
republic for the
hold
last
that
60
Sidhu
years.
has over you?
And
No.
still they want to
But
continue
Mr.
to swing.
Tripathi, tell the people watching tonight, what is this hold that Sidhu has over you? It is almost like you feel everybody can go. Ghulam Nabi can go. Raj Babbar, Ghulam Nabi, what is it? Chidambaram. Not that I'm any fan of Chidambaram. Anand Sharma, A.K. Antony, Manish Tiwari, Amrinder Singh, everybody must go, but Sidhu must not go. I really want to understand
they
what is
shouldn't
there
have
in
done
this
this
fellow.
possible.
What is there in this fellow? Once I used to.
Arnav, it's
Yeah. What is there about Sidhu? They feel
it's
lost
very
without
risky
Sidhu.
what they have-
Huh?
Sir, should I respond?
Yeah, please do. Is there
very
some
risky what
Pakistan
they have done
connection
to
here?
Sidhu.
Respond, sir.
Let
Yeah,
me
yeah.
tell you. Just one line.
नहीं,
Just one line.
मतलब is it-
Tackle
मतलब
just one
अजय
line.
आलोक will
It's
respond or
very risky
me?
for what they have done to Sidhu. Just one line I'll say, then you can respond to me. It's very risky what they have done to Kapil Sibal. Because you don't fight your lawyers.
Yeah.
What will happen in National Herald now?
Yeah.
What will happen to Badra cases in Rajasthan, Haryana?
Oh, yeah,
Everything
right.
Sibal is fighting.
Right.
Don't forget that.
Yeah.
One copy turns and the table will turn again.
Correct.
Bad time. That's why I said that नाश
Correct.
मनुष्य पे छाता है तो सबसे पहले विवेक मर जाता है.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Tripathi, go
Ajay
on.
Alok ji, please read Dinkar ji. मतलब you are not stating the right correctly. It is नाश मनुष्य जब नाश मनुष्य पर छाता है पहले विवेक मर जाता है. And let me quote from Dinkar ji too, from the same तृतीय सर. चांदनी पुष्प छाया में पल नर भले
देखिए विवेक खत्म हो गया.
पर अमृत क्लेश का पिए बिना अतप अंधड़ में प्लीज डॉक्टर गोस्वामी.
Sir, I've told you I haven't
Dr.
done a
Goswami,
PhD. I really wanted to, but I couldn't.
Or you speak. No. I am talking to Ajay Alok ji, not you.
Yeah, but don't refer to me as Dr. Goswami, please. No, Sambit is coming back.
अंधड़ में जिए बिना वह पुरुष नहीं कहला सकता
Sambit.
और विघ्नों को नहीं हिला सकता.
Sambit.
तो कांग्रेस is
Sambit.
just drinking.
Sambit.
They are having the
concerned
अमृत
about
of क्लेश.
विवेक मर जाता है.
Let me
तो
tell you
कांग्रेस
one
मर
thing.
रहा है उसका कोई चिंता नहीं कर रहा है. अरे तिवारी जी, ऑल ऑफ यू आर सो 10 बार बोल रहे विवेक मर जाता है, विवेक मर रहा है. अरे विवेक का छोड़ो, कांग्रेस को बचाओ. अरे विवेक का छोड़ो, उसको बाद में बचाना, पहले कांग्रेस को बचाओ. कांग्रेस मर रही है, ये विवेक के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं.
Have you finished?
No, I am not finished.
Have you finished?
I am advising you, my friend.
Have you finished?
तिवारी जी, आप भी अभी इतने विवेक को कैसे बचाना है? विवेक मर जाता है, बाद में मरता है कि पहले मरता है? अरे विवेक को बाद में बचाना, पहले कांग्रेस को बचाओ. आप बताइए, बिना लीडरशिप के राहुल गांधी के लीडरशिप से कांग्रेस मर रही है, ये विवेक के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं.
I appreciate it. आप बोल चुके.
नहीं, अभी तो जो कॉमिकल एक्ट्स कांग्रेस पार्टी में हो रहा है उसमें सीरियस क्या बोलेंगे? Now tell me, can I be serious with all the acts happening in Congress party? Can anyone be serious? Can anyone be serious? Can anything be serious with Rahul Gandhi around? With Rahul Gandhi around, nothing can be serious. Nothing is serious. Everything is comical and confused about Congress party. Congress is confused and comic.
Patra ji, I know you are a great comedian, but please लेट मी स्पीक।
वो तो राहुल गांधी को देख के ही हंसी आती है। आप तो क्या बोल रहे हैं
कि प्लीज लर्न फ्रॉम त्रिपाठी जी।
बोल रहे थे कि इंडिया का बॉर्डर भी नहीं मानते हैं।
मुझे आपको भी देख के कभी कभी हंसी आती है ना। आप तो बता रहे थे कि मैं भाग्य,
तो हंसते क्यों नहीं है? मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कोने में जाके हंसिए, हमको बोलने दीजिए।
सबको एनालाइज करते हैं। नहीं आपने बोला लर्न फ्रॉम त्रिपाठी। अच्छा अब आप चुप रहिए, मुझे
आप आएंगे नहीं?
ठीक
नहीं सर, त्रिपाठी साहब थोड़े दिन बाद कोई भी नहीं आएगा कांग्रेस पार्टी से, आप मत चले जाइए।
No, 1 minute. Let me. No, it's a serious situation. I also want to get the Aam Aadmi Party in. A minute, please. We have with us, आपको बोलने दे रहा, Ahbab Singh Grewal is the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Grewal, you are looking very serious in this debate. Many people are laughing, smiling. What is going on? Nobody seems to figure out, Mr. Grewal, who is in control there. The only thing that appears to me is that Sidhu has held the Congress party to ransom. Right? What's the real inside story? What hold does this man have over the entire Congress party? What is so special about Sidhu?
Well, Mr. Goswami, I'm serious because I see the poor state Punjab is in. As far as the Congress is concerned and the Gandhis are concerned, dynasties die. History tells you that dynasties die. And when dynasties die, there is chaos. And that chaos, unfortunately, is really affecting Punjab. In Punjab, we are stuck in such a bad position that there is no governance whatsoever. Number two, they appointing the first Dalit chief minister, like Madam Gandhi appointed Dr. Manmohan Singh, the first Sikh prime minister. Then he was not even allowed to keep his own secretaries. That's exactly what's happening over here. So what they've done is they've sent a mini Gandhi, that is Sidhu, to Punjab because probably the court jester somehow amused the Gandhi siblings. The Gandhi siblings were probably amused by his laughter. They were probably amused by his acting and the way they gave him audiences. But unfortunately, whenever there's been a tussle between leaders in Punjab, Congress leaders in Punjab who wanted to please the Gandhis in Delhi, Punjab has suffered. We've suffered through terrible times. We've suffered through terrorism. We've suffered very badly just because congressmen wanted to prove to each other or prove to the Gandhis that I am a bigger bhag. So that is why I'm serious, and that is why I'm sad for my state that today, even when my state is down the dumps, they, for the last 90 days, sir, they cannot get their act in order. And for God's sakes, if this dynasty has to die, let it die. But at least let our state live in peace.
Yeah, why don't, unless it has become some kind of an ego issue, Ravi and Sanjay come into the debate, and now I go to the nub of the issue. I want to bring in Madhuvanti, who's coming on my show for the first time, into the debate with Sambit and Sanjay and Ravi on the other side. I believe, Madhuvanti ji, that there is something called an honorable exit. I feel, personally, I believe, I have nothing against any member, as you all know, of the Vadra Gandhi family. Absolutely not. I have had no interactions besides that one little television encounter a few years back, which went very well as far as I was concerned. My question is, why don't the Vadra Gandhis exercise the option of an honorable exit? You can get out of the cockpit if the plane is crashing. There are so many capable people in this country, right? And you can't have dynasty. You can't have dynasty of this kind, They say there are dynasties in other countries. Well, yes, Lee Kuan Yew's son became the Prime Minister of Singapore, but, he was a Brigadier General, Sambit, in the Singapore Army. Extremely educated and qualified man who fought through the party ranks, and that's how he became the Prime Minister of Singapore. But first of all, nobody can compare anyone in the Vadra Gandhi family to Lee Kuan Yew. But anyway, why don't they just leave? Ravi, you will not go through this embarrassment. Sanjay Chadda, you will not have to defend the indefensible. If I open the phone lines right now and I say, don't do these rotten tomato attacks on each other. Let go and leave. No, I would say, why don't they just leave? Why don't they just leave? You have every leader of the Congress party telling the Vadra Gandhis to leave. Why don't they leave? Yes. Yes.
I am listening to your fiction for last half an hour. I am asking you one question. Why are you worried about the Congress? Why are you concerned about them? This is their in-house problem. They are sorting it out. What is happening in Punjab? I would say I would rather not agree with the AAP spokesperson there. It's an advantageous situation as far as the AAP is concerned. Because...
No, 1 minute. We'll discuss AAP later. You're saying this is nobody's business.
Non-existent in Punjab.
You're saying, Madhuvanti. I'll tell. No, you're not on the point. 1 minute. Ravi. Ravi, listen. Ravi, there's something called the G23. The way it is growing, it is going to be G32.
So what is G23? That is in-house issues. You don't have a BJP G23 because you have put Mr. Advani in the cold storage. You don't have a G23 there. You have put Singhal in the cold storage.
Just 1 minute. Ravi, if I may, Madhuvanti wants to respond to you. You and I... Yeah, all right. I just say one thing. To the G23, I would only say to the G23 tonight, Ravi, I would say to the G23 tonight, can you please be quiet for a while? Can you stop repeating yourself? There is no need for that misplaced alliteration. It is not making your repetition, and alliteration is going to get you nowhere. Now the question is,
Arnab, if I may join.
You may, but he's not stopping, Madhuvanti. I first got to stop him. I'm having a problem.
Absolutely.
I'll have to reduce the audio, then he'll be upset. Madhuvanti, viewers, did I say anything wrong here? This is exceptionally frustrating. Oh God.
Did you see people joining Congress?
I tell you, I haven't seen anyone joining Congress in a long time. That's it. I've
only seen people leaving the Congress.
Okay, fine. It's Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, tell me one thing, Madhuvanti. The question is to Madhuvanti. Your name is not Madhuvanti. I'm talking to Madhuvanti and not to you. Madhuvanti, why don't the members of the Vadra Gandhi family leave? Wouldn't it be better? Especially when everyone is telling you to, even your party leaders are requesting you to. Yes.
Firstly, Arnab, it's a true honor to be part of your show for the first time. Back home in Chennai, I come from a family of theatre actors. Oh, sir, please, you've spoken enough. Allow others to speak on the debate. I come from a family of theatre actors and we do comedy for a living. But I haven't seen this kind of comedy happen outside of stage the way it is happening in the Congress today. And if somebody is going to be so irresponsible and say that this is a Congress internal problem and Punjab doesn't have to be considered, this is a border state. You have to definitely consider many things as far as the state is concerned. And with regards to the brother-sister combo, this is the question I have also been asking quite a few people. What is stopping them from getting the hell out of those chairs and actually allowing true statesmen and leaders with some brains to run the party? We clearly know that these two do not have the wherewithal or the brains or the dignity or the caliber to actually run this party. They have been a failure throughout. Whether it is Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Vadra, I do not understand why they are still holding on to their chairs so tightly, not being able to get up and move when there are people literally trying to push them out of it. And this is becoming a classic case of the Yadavas that I can remember. As a community, they fought amongst themselves and then no one was left to stay alive. Even Krishna himself went away because he couldn't tolerate what was going on in that community. And that is the same thing that I see that is happening with the Congress. There is no solidarity anywhere. Groups are forming. Senior leaders are arguing with each other. Nobody wants the Vadras there. But I still don't understand how there are people on this debate, on your debate, who are actually supporting this brother and sister duo and saying, what is your problem? This is an internal issue. How is this an internal issue? Punjab is a border state. You have Sidhu is somebody who has close ties with extremists and terrorists. How do you call this an internal issue? I mean, Arnab, like you rightly said, the nation wants to know what is going on within the Congress and what is stopping these two from actually getting up and getting the hell out of there.
What he's saying is that Sidhu has ties with terrorists. So why you are not arresting?
Of course he does.
Please arrest this person.
Of course he does.
If he has ties with terrorists, he has ties with terrorists.
You first worry about him
proof.
inside your
Why don't
party,
you
then
come out
you can
and
talk
say
about the
that he is-
BJP or the government arresting him.
You will just speak like this, and yeah, we all know that. You know, it is a
And what will you
certainly
do? Keep
internal
supporting
matter
the
of
wrong
a party.
people all the time.
No doubt
Isn't that
about
all
it,
you do?
that because of this, certainly it has a blow to the Congress party. There is no doubt about it. And there is an advantage to Aam Aadmi Party. There is no doubt about it. But as a matter of fact, if you are saying that Sidhu has ties with some criminals and all those terrorists, then you must file a complaint.
Absolutely.
When he was there everywhere, please do that. By merely saying so in the television.
I want to know why you are holding on to Sidhu. I don't understand why you are
absolutely-
holding on to Sidhu like for dear life, as though he is Noah and he has to save this ark from the deluge in the Congress. I don't understand this.
Is there somebody who's asking you whether they have asked you? It is their own internal matter if they are doing. And it is, why you are meeting...
I don't get this, Arnabji, about this internal matter that they all come on national television and talk about.
Why you are meeting the ex-CM? What was the need? So your political way is what you are saying. Their political things are what they are doing.
No, I think it's not like that. No.
Why you are so worried?
I don't think so.
No. First of all, we must understand. No. First of all, I'll tell you. I'll bring Sambit and Ratnakar back into the debate. Let me put it simply. There is no room to be cagey and cautious about saying it. Sonia Gandhi was made interim president, and the de facto power was handed over to Rahul and Priyanka, who Ratnakar Tripathi, despite your adoration, do not have the political maturity to lead a party. Right? And you've been saying for a very long time, Mr. Tripathi, that they are young and they are growing and they are learning. But, I know that in India, 52 years is young. But, when both brother and sister are near the half-century mark, one a little below, one a little above, you're not exactly a greenhorn. So you can't get away by saying they are young and learning. You understand, Mr. Tripathi? Don't say you're young and learning. Arvind Kejriwal and Rahul Gandhi are around the same age. Okay, you can't go around and say Rahul Gandhi is a young boy. It's not going to work. No. Second issue is, they say, why should it not be a concern? Well, I'm sorry, it's the biggest political story. A party which once ruled the country for over 50 years has fallen into, a heap. And we ask you questions and you get very upset. They get upset, like tomorrow they'll take rotten tomatoes and throw it at us. If you have been growing rotten tomatoes, use it somewhere else. You're attacking each other. You're violating every norm of decency. You're physically attacking each other. You're abusing each other. A border state is going possibly into the hands of a person who's known to be close to the ISI. And you have the temerity to ask why we are asking questions.
Questions have cropped up during the debate. Let me. Tiwari ji, I will just be very quick to answer these questions.
And Sambit Patra ji response.
No, it's a serious issue.
No, in fact, my name was taken.
Let me respond,
Tiwari ji, I'll
Patra
just
ji.
take a few seconds and then
You have talked enough here.
No, तिवारी जी, आज तो चुप रहने का दिन है. आप तो कम से कम शांत रहिए.
पात्रा जी, you are not Patra, you are Patra.
त्रिपाठी जी, कोई बात नहीं.
अरे सरकार, आप पत्र नहीं है, पात्रा है. मैं तिवारी नहीं हूँ, त्रिपाठी हूँ.
पड़ेगा. कोई बात
नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलूँ.
त्रिपाठी तिवारी ठीक बात है, गलत हो गया. आप त्रिपाठी जी हैं, ठीक है. आप अब 10 सेकंड रुक जाइए, फिर त्रिपाठी जी आप बोल लीजिएगा. There are a few questions which have cropped up, serious questions which have cropped up during this debate. Let me try to answer them. The first question was, why don't these brother and sister, Rahul and Miss Vadra, they vacate their seats? Why would anyone vacate their seats? If you are getting free lunches, if you are getting to enjoy power without any responsibility, so why would anyone vacate their seats?
Yeah.
And that is what has been happening as far as the Gandhi family is concerned. No responsibility, all power. That's why they are not vacating their seats. It's as cool as that, number one. Number two, the second question is, what is the real problem in the Congress party?
Yeah.
Why all this is happening? The rotten tomatoes,
You
etc.
have to give
Let
me
me
just
tell you what the real
10
problem
seconds.
is. The real problem is they want all of us, just a second, sir, they want all of us to respect Rahul Gandhi. No, they want to demand respect because Rahul Gandhi is unable to command respect. They want
Can
us
I
to
come in,
forcibly
Honor, please?
respect
10
Mr. Rahul
seconds.
Gandhi. And that's the
Free
reason as to why
lunch
they
is
would
called
take on Mr.
after you
Kapil
lose
Sibal,
the
they would take on
parliamentary
Mr. Manish
election in
Tiwari,
Delhi.
they would
You
take on
become a
everyone
director of a
because no one
company,
is
of a
able
public
to
sector
respect
company.
Rahul Gandhi.
That is called
And
free
Rahul
lunch.
Gandhi,
Sambit
how
ji,
does that
Sambit ji,
matter,
first
sir?
you reply.
So
What do you mean by a free lunch?
You want to draw in that to
After
save Rahul
losing
Gandhi,
a parliamentary election, how come you have become the director
You are not
of
going to save
ONGC?
Rahul Gandhi by
Sir,
drawing
can you
in this
please reply
example,
to that?
sir. You can abuse me, you can abuse me, you can
No,
throw
you
water
have
next
drawn a
at us,
very wrong
but that is
parallel
not
by
going to
saying
save
free
the
lunch.
Congress party, sir.
Nobody
Just
is
a second.
here offering
Mr.
free
Kamal,
lunch.
you
Why
were
you are
arrested for
paranoid
corruption
of the
cases.
Gandhi family? I
You
know
were
that.
arrested for corruption
Because it's
cases,
the
sir.
only opposition.
One minute.
that
Sambit,
is
let me,
asking questions
Sambit, let me come in. Mr. Chaudhary, one minute. I'll tell you one thing, Mr. Chaudhary. Since you have gone personal, I say tonight that Dr. Ajay Alok is a doctor. 1 minute, Mr. Chaudhary, 1 minute. Now you hear me. My time to speak has come. Madhuvanti is a well-known entrepreneur and political activist. Wherever she is, come on my show tonight, she has proven it her own way. Ajay Alok is a qualified doctor, very well respected for his professional achievements. Sambit Patra is a well-known gastroenterologist who has worked a hard way, sat in competitive exams and got a postgraduate medical degree. Kindly tell us which competitive exam has any of your party leaders ever passed? The nation wants to know.
Sir.
Thank you, I've got my answer. Ladies and gentlemen, complete chaos in the Congress. I have nothing more to say. Falling, going from bad to worse. And if you ask questions on them, well, they get very touchy, don't they? On the other side tonight, Parambir Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, mark my words, he could not have gone missing on his own. There is a nationwide hunt for him. And on the other side, you need to raise your voice now.